How to download GTA San Andreas on PC or laptop for free. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you on how we can download the GTA San Andreas on your PC for free. So let's just dive right into the video without any delay. So if you want to download the GTA for free, so for that you can directly head over to open a browser, and once you are there, you can go ahead and type in Rockstar Games in the search bar. After that, open up the first link that appears, and once you are logged in, you can use the search bar in order to search for GTA San Andreas. You can just go ahead and type in that and hit enter. When you do that, you will be finding the results here. So you can go ahead and look out for the GTA San Andreas here. This one right here is the one we are looking for. So once you've done that, what you can do is open up the Steam instead. After that, in Steam also you can go to the search bar and type in San Andreas GTA. You can just go ahead and type in that and it will show you the result. You can just go and click on it. And once that is done, you need to enter the birth date in order to continue. Just go ahead and do that. And when you do that, it will lead you to this page. So unfortunately, you can't get it for free. You need to pay a certain amount. So you can just go ahead and add it to cart and continue with the payment method. And once that is done, you will be having the access of GTA on your device. So that is it for now. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.